Hello guys and welcome back again to Crypto Hasi. For today's video, we're going to talk about CashX crypto banking. But before that, let me remind you that this is not a financial advice. This is for entertainment and review purposes only. So always do your own research before doing anything else because crypto has a risk. And invest what you can afford to lose always in crypto. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, have you ever had your bank block a crypto transaction? So struggle to move money between your bank and crypto. So what if you could do both seamlessly in one account? So this is CashX, a regulated platform that combines traditional banking with crypto. So global individuals and businesses can open an account and access sa AUSD account in the United States and EUR IBAN in Luxembourg, all connected directly with stablecoins wallet. So when you sign up, you get a USD bank account and a EURC or IBAN account. And alongside that, you also receive a USDC wallet and EURC wallet. So instead of choosing between banking and crypto, you get both fully integrated. So here's how to deposit work. So you send a normal bank transfer and then either SEPA or wire to your CashX account. So depending on your account type, for example, USD account or the United States account, you can receive funds from your own account and also from third-party accounts. In EUR IBAN Luxembourg, individual accounts receive funds only from your own bank accounts. So business accounts can receive from both own and third-party accounts. So once the funds arrive, they are automatically converted into a stable coin like USDC or URC. No manual conversion, no exchange, no extra steps. So when you want to withdraw, you simply send your USDC or EURC to your own bank account or even a third-party account. And CashX automatically converts it back into fiat instantly. So it arrives just like a normal bank transfer. So you can also receive crypto from supported blockchains or exchange guys. Send crypto wallets to exchange or other users. And then we support the multiple networks and including that is the Solana, Arbitrum, Base, Ethereum, Optimism, and Polygon and Stellar guys. So the CashX is continuously expanding with upcoming features such as the USDT wallets, GBP accounts, crypto cards, both virtual and physical guys. Coming in Q2. So this solves one of the biggest problems today, bank restricting crypto transactions, slow and complex conversations, limited global banking access, and with CashX, everything works in one place. So if you're looking for a crypto-friendly global banking solution where you can hold USD, EUR, and crypto seamlessly, check out the CashX and it's on the link below.